Do you guys see what I have on my plate? Look at all the colorful Skittles. Now, I also have a cup of water. And it's my favorite emoji cup. See? Put on your science smile. Here we go. We pour the water onto the plate right over all the colorful candy. And we wait to see what happens.
All right, let's see.
What do you think's gonna happen? Here it goes. I see something, Miss Brooke. Do you?
I see it.
It's coming. It's starting. It's making a rainbow. Do you see it?
I see it in the blue and the red and orange. Do you
It's
see
getting
it, friend?
closer and closer to the middle. See it?
Wow.
See it all growing together to make a rainbow to meet in the middle? It gets brighter and brighter. Which is your favorite color? Mine is the orange. Do you see the orange right there? It's so colorful.
It is colorful. I really like the blue. I think the blue makes it pop.
Yeah, the blue is really bright too. So is the green. It's like a cool color.
It is a cool color.
Does that help? What do you guys think? It
That's
worked.
so cool.
Made a beautiful rainbow. Pretty cool, right?
That's so cool, Miss LaLa. That was such a cool science experiment.
Did you like it?
Give us a pat on your nose if you think that was a fun experiment.
I'm giving a pat on the nose because I loved it.
That was so much fun.